Cheers. Take a shot, eat a fish. Take a shot, eat it. Cheers, 여러분. Yeah.
People are so friendly in Tongyeong, man. I've made so many friends just sitting outside.
It's crazy. This whole city is like a party city. I don't know how to explain it. If you come drink in Tongyeong, everybody's just so happy. According to the nice ladies that run Buil-Sikdang, Tongyeong consumes more soju per capita than any other place in Korea. I'm not sure if what they say is true, but you know, I think I can believe it. And for one reason, Dajji-jip. Alright, so we are walking through downtown Tongyeong right now, near the harbor. And we're heading to the Dajji-jip, and there are so many Dajji-jip here. The one we're going to is called Daechu-namu. So how does it all work, really? I'm still a little confused, and maybe a Tongyeong local can explain it more in the comments. But from what I can tell, dachi-style eating revolves around what is seasonal and fresh the day it arrives. Restaurant owners hunt at the markets for what looks good and prepare a wide variety of dishes that constantly changes and evolves throughout the year. At a good Dajji-jip, your table should reflect the things you see that day walking through the market. But this is anju. The drinking is just as important as the eating. There is usually a 2-person set price, which includes 3 bottles of ice-cold booze. Usually, an ice bucket comes tableside. But the menu advertises 1 bottle of soju for manwon. But here's the tricky part. With each bottle of booze you order, more and more delicious food fills the table. Soon the night becomes a ballet of eating and drinking and eating more and drinking more. We're getting some food from the table next door. They're sharing food with us.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So I wanted to introduce Andy and Sophie to this Tongyeong local dining experience. Oh my god, it's already here.
Is he starting with an appetizer plastic?
Look at that. No, 너무 맛있어요. All right. Oh, are the steamed garlic? Oh my god.
Yes.
That's insane. Chestnuts and tomatoes. This place is awesome already. Tonight we went to a Tongyeong Dajji-jip, and dachi in Tongyeong is one of my favorite things to do. So I really wanted to take Sophie and Andy to Dajji-jip. They actually have recipes where they try to invent new, interesting tastes. Like if you look at this muno, this is not just like muno and chojang. Like usually in Korean food it's just steamed muno.
Yeah.
There's all kinds of like chamgiram and spices in here.
This is my first time to a place like this, man.
We're gonna have like everything from the ocean. Like some beans.
Oh,
Sure, good.
I'll try that garlic.
Yeah. What is it? Like, see, they have banchan here that I've never seen before. Do you just? Oh, you peel it, eat the whole thing like that. There we go.
Wow.
I think it's some steamed garlic.
That's really good.
Wow, 좋아요.
Yeah, right? So we
Yeah.
started with 1 bottle each.
Everybody has to order 1 bottle, and then it starts at like a set price.
Okay.
I think for 3 people here, it's what, 70? I think. Starts with 60 at 2, and then 10 for each. If we finish this, and we order another bottle, then they'll bring more food. So basically you eat and drink infinite.
Yeah.
Like if you're drinking, you'll always have anju.
Okay.
It's pretty cool. You first.
Oh, thank you.
Cheers, man.
Yeah. Man, there's nothing better than like ice cold beer by the ocean. You know what I mean?
I do.
Ice cold beer by the ocean is the best.
I like ice cold beer
Yeah.
about anywhere.
Just about anywhere. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
건배. Cheers.
Interesting.
Oh yeah, ice cold. Wow, brain freeze. Wow.
This is really soft.
All right, I'm gonna try this Muno. I've been really excited about this. Let's try this one together.
Yeah.
You want some of this?
Yeah. You feed me?
Feed you, yeah. I'm really curious about this.
Sure.
Is it good? It looks so soft. All right. Ooh.
This 양념 is really special.
Yeah.
I never ever tried this.
It's like flavors I've never really had.
I was just about to say they put Worcester sauce or something in there.
Yeah, there's something. There's definitely durgirim. I think durgirim.
Yeah.
And then some other stuff, garlic and, like you said, 양념 sauce.
Not average, really good average thing.
Usually I don't like the 멍게, but
Oh, they got
this is really good.
some 멍게 무침. Alright, let's try it. Wow. The 멍게 is still very bitter, but it has a nice like chili sauce to it. This is really good. Yeah. It's like the spices they're using here are very exotic.
They use good,
Yeah.
balanced, spicy.
Yeah. There's chombok in here too. Chombok and muno. Man, guys. But I love it when restaurants put very simple matchip on the table. Just like fresh tomatoes and chestnuts. Uncooked
Because
chestnuts.
usually this is really expensive.
Chestnut is?
Yeah.
I want to try this
Lee Nengu.
Ui Nengu.
Yeah.
Man, the onions look so fresh here.
Try that.
Vinegary, sour. It's like a nice summer cucumber soup. I'm gonna eat one of these tomatoes.
Show them the tomato. Oh, there you go. Wow, took a big bite of that.
Oh, we've got gomak. Gomak muchim. I'm gonna try some gomak. 너무 맛있어요. Oh, we need soju soon too. 고막.
반찬 하나하나가 다 맛있다. 그냥 한 반찬이 아니고 다 맛있어.
People are gonna think I don't know how to use chopsticks, but
It's because you have a big.
I'm using my left hand. That's why.
Oh, seriously? Yeah. I see. That's skill. I don't think I could do that.
Dude, that's good. Okay,
Yeah.
I found my favorite.
The gomak is awesome. Everything is amazing.
That's really
Try
good.
this.
Here we go.
와우.
너무 맛있어요.
아 맛있어요.
양념을 너무 잘하시네.
와우.
그렇지.
문어 너무 맛있네.
묻힌다 이거.
Ah, they massage it.
아르기 좀 맑었나? 알아.
네.
Wait, it's wet.
No, but what kind of? What
Sorry
kind?
guys. I think 방어? 방어?
Guango.
I think this is mullet.
So fresh.
Yeah.
Still moving.
Yeah. The sushi quality is really good too.
Yeah. I think she killed it like when we ordered it. Man, this is awesome. I'm gonna try some chojon. Sumi?
I never heard.
처음 봤다. Sumi? Dude, it is good.
Let me try some.
Try some of that. It's like, I don't know, soft. Really soft. Man, that's good.
It's a very fatty fish. It's like
Yeah.
it's like it tastes very much like salmon for some reason.
Like salmon?
Yeah, when I try sushi, I always eat with the
Samjang.
samjang. Yeah.
Take a shot, eat a fish. Take a shot, eat it. That's it. Cheers, 여러분. Yeah. Wow, japchae looks awesome. This place is amazing. This is good. You want me to feed you some japchae?
Yes. What's the Chinese restaurant? Shisha.
Yeah, man. That is great.
This is yomu.
Yomu? Okay, yeah. Yomu. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Super spicy.
Wow. It is?
Yeah, really, really spicy. I love this video. I'm just feeding Andy.
And the smell, I think there's very special
Yeah.
taste here.
Everything is special here. Like, everything is so good. Oh my god. I don't know.
I think this is 성게.
송게, yeah, 송게.
Very. 그리고 이거는 뭐예요?
와다.
Wada?
해삼 창자 있잖아.
Ah,
창자.
we got the haesam, which is like a sea cucumber. Usually, when you order it at a Dajji-jip, they cut it and they discard all the
Yes,
inside.
yes,
For some reason in Tongyeong, they're eating it. This is amazing. I've never seen this before. I'm gonna try it. I feel like I'm gonna need soju after this because I think it'll be very bitter.
Yeah.
Do you eat it just like this?
Yeah, man, that freaks me out.
Oh man, no. Why? Let's do it.
How's that?
It's briny.
Briny?
Briny.
Salty?
Salty. See, like, actually it's not bad. It's really good. Definitely soju. Soju.
Make that your cocktail.
처음 봤어요. But I get excited when I see things I've never seen before. Of course, we've got songe.
I've never even seen that.
You know what it looks like in the ocean. It has all the black
Oh yeah,
spikes.
I know what it looks like.
얘기했나?
But I've
아직
never-
걸어 전에 했나?
안지 안 했어요.
This stuff,
Yeah.
this stuff is amazing. Like, sorry, I'm so distracted. There's food coming to our table.
But it's like this literally tastes like you put like the ocean in your mouth. That's what it tastes like.
But it's so good,
얘는
man.
뭐예요?
What is that?
이거 새조개. 아,
새 조개?
이거 무슨 조개야?
This looks crazy to me. I've never seen it prepared like this. It looks so soft. Man,
간장 찍어 먹어.
doenjanji.
Makes some dream work.
Yeah, I got you. That's how we do it when we got a baby.
Oh, yeah, I like
here.
that. That's good.
In America, we don't eat 80% of what's on this table. We don't eat. Actually, maybe all of it.
And you know what's the interesting thing about South Africa too? We only eat big fish. We don't eat milchi. We don't eat any of that stuff. That's latte for Bible.
Can you teach me how to say cheers in Afrikaans?
Latte for Bible.
Latte fa,
Bible.
latte fa, vora,
Hey.
latte,
Fall.
fa,
Var.
fal,
Hey.
hey,
Vol.
vul. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's really
Latte.
Shorts.
Cholts?
Shorts.
Cholts.
Yeah.
Ah, cholts. Cholts. Cholts, 여러분. I'm so glad you guys came to Tongyeong because this is one of my happiest places on earth. And I want to share it with all my friends.
I was a little skeptical at first, man. It's really good.
Yeah, I'm happy. Ah, God. This is one of the best nights of my life. This is so good.
Dude, I gotta tell you, that chop is shit.
Yeah, man. I could eat a big bowl of that japchae.
No, that is.
But honestly, 맛있어요. It's good.
Oh my god, I can't even look at it.
Like,
되게 이상하게 생겼어요 이게.
but
Taste of sea.
yes.
Real taste of sea.
Wow, 영어 잘해요. It tastes of the sea. 호래기 is the little squid, little tiny squid. Yeah, 호래기 좋아요. Really close, and you can see it changing color because it's so fresh. Wow, slices. This is awesome. I love this stuff with the doenjan. Doenjan and 호래기 is 너무 맛있어요. Here we go, guys. This is one of the best bites of seafood. Oh yeah, baby. This place, I mean, the food just kept on coming and coming to the table. A never-ending feast of fresh seafood and local ingredients. And this wasn't even close to the end. 대박. Cheers.
그냥 먹어봐. 찍지 말고. 이거랑 이거랑.
Guys, at this point, there's so much on our table, we just don't know what it is. What is this? What is this? But the beer is ice cold. They have it in this nice, like, ice bucket. So refreshing, man. Yeah. Look at that! Oh, it's like frosty. Oh my god.
Sorry.
Cheers, guys.
약간 텁텁한 느낌도 나는데 그 텁텁한
Oh my god. It's so cold. Look how fresh this sanakji is, man. So alive. Alright, we need chamgirum and
Do you want some?
suck on the bonus. Eat it both. Eat it both. It's bonus. Stuck onto the boogie. Yeah, but you know that's good because if it's strong, that means it's fresh.
Yeah.
Look at how fresh that
Sticking to the side of
is.
my
Oh my god, it's like the freshest sanakji ever.
sticking to the side of my mouth.
Yeah, so they say Dajji-jip, right? It's the food that they bought from the market today. Like, it's fresh. I gotta use my hands. It's just like literally.
It's so strong. So strong. Keep on sticking to the side.
Yeah, I like it. It like massages your mouth. 네, 여러분. Ah, sanakji. When you dip it in really high quality chamgirum, it's so good. This place just brought a plate of raspberries. I know it sounds weird. Okay, it sounds weird because they make all of this stuff, the yangyam sauce. But I love it when restaurants to just put fresh ingredients on the table. The tomatoes and the chestnuts, and this is just raspberries with nothing else. You gotta know this is probably in season right now. The only reason they're putting this on the table is because they went to the market and they were like, oh, that looks good. You know what I mean? Alright guys, we just got something called haesamtang. Haesamtang, this is my 처음 먹어봤어요. Let's try it. Of course, haesam. Oh my god. Oh my god. Man, this is crazy good. This is like sweet and sour. Super 감칠맛.
It's good, dude.
Yeah, gosu hala. Wow, you have more food. 이거 뭐예요? 이거 뭐예요? What is this?
Really expensive in South Africa.
장어 내장.
Yeah.
So the intestines of an eel.
Yeah.
장어 내장.
I was completely
Guys,
wrong.
처음 먹어봤어요. This is the first time I've ever been at a Korean restaurant where I've tried 10 new things. I've never tried this before. Is it good? Wow.
It's like
Oh my god.
liver. Like you
Yeah.
taste liver in there.
간. Oh my god.
It's so good. I don't know if I'm drunk, but this is really good.
Dude, it's creamy. Like butter. Oh, 이거 뭐야? They're sharing food. Is this from the
I'm guessing so, yeah.
hey okay.
파리다 파리.
We're getting some food from the table next door. They're sharing food with us.
2 tables of crab.
Oh, it's boribap. Dude, what?
What about?
너무 맛있어요. 진짜? 아, 감사합니다. 와.
되게 잘해요.
Yeah.
Do you speak English?
We need to share.
Ah,
Happy to share this.
thank you so much. He's never had this. He wants to share it with us. Wow. So guys, I think this is the haesam nejan. I think.
Mix in with
Dude, it is seriously amazing.
Let me try it.
Oh my god. What the fuck? I don't understand why it tastes that way. Why does it taste that way? Try it.
Super slimy.
Yeah, but it's like, man.
Oh, it's like cheese.
Yeah, isn't that weird?
But you didn't get a shot of that. Like, let me get
Yeah,
the spoon.
you get the shot. Here, I'll zoom in on you.
No, get your camera in here and then like.
Okay, alright. Got you.
입에 안 맞는 거 이거
It's like cheese. You ready?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Look at that. It's like cheese.
Why does it taste that way? I just don't understand.
Look at that.
It's like sea cheese, ocean cheese, sea cheese.
It's like gratin.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, it's like seafood gratin. It's really good.
It's got such a unique flavor. Like I can't put my finger on it. A little bit like a bitter fruit rind, like a lemon rind.
문어 좀 넣어.
Dude, that's so good though.
그래 재현님이랑 되게 많이 하고.
아 그랬어요. 내가 주방에 있으니까.
Wow. Cheers, everybody. In South Africa, in Africa. Shots. Shots. Dude, thank you so much for joining me.
People are so friendly in Tongyeong, man. I made so many friends just sitting outside.
It's crazy. This whole city is like a party city. I don't know how to explain it. If you come drink in Tongyeong, everybody's just so happy.